See, today the matter was heard in detail by the High Court. High Court has now pronounced the order. High Court has said that as far as Sunburn Festival is concerned, it will go on with certain conditions and some interim arrangements as far as noise pollution is concerned, as far as traffic is concerned. The state is supposed to take all precautions. There will be high officials at the site throughout the event, and as far as traffic is concerned, it will be monitored by the police. The event organizer also should take all the precautions which are to be taken in terms of the earlier directions of the High Court, and several guidelines of the government of Goa are there. The High Court has said that the event shall go on, and they will monitor this, and the matter will be taken up after the event to find out whether there are any breaches, and if there is anything to be improved or any action is required to be taken. See, the law is very clear right from the Supreme Court up to our High Court. As far as Gram Sabha is concerned, the powers of Gram Sabha is very, very limited. Construction license, permissions, events, etc. These powers are not conferred upon Gram Sabha under any law. These powers are given to the Panchayat body, which is an elected body. All these powers have to be exercised by the Panchayat body. So therefore, I don't have any doubt in my mind. And as far as this country is concerned, there is no doubt in anybody's mind that Gram Sabha does not have all these powers.
सनबर्न आड ग्रामसभेत घेतिल्लो थाराव पंचायत संचालनालयान भायर मारलो. पंचायत संचालनालयाच्या निर्णयाआड कोर्टात वतले म्हूण आदोगाद प्रसाद शहापूरकर उलयला.
स्पेस बाउंडान जे अपील फायल केल्लें आमच्या धारगळ ग्रामसभेत जो रिझोल्युशन घेतलेलें ग्रामसभेक, त्या रिझोल्युशनाक स्पेस बाउंडान चॅलेंज केल्ली बिफोर ऑनरेबल एडिशनल डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत, आनी स्पेस बाउंडाचें अपील अलाव केलें तांचे, आनी तो जो ठराव घेतिल्लो रिझोल्युशन घेतलें तें सेटिसायड केलें. ह्या अपिलाक आमी एपेलेट कोर्टान चॅलेंज करतले. नाजाल्यार ग्रामसभेत घेतिल्ल्या ठरावा संदर्भात जर आमी योग्य अशी अपील जर दाखल करूंक ना किंवा ताका चॅलेंज करूंक ना जाल्यार एक वेगळो रूल सेट जावंक शकता.